Well, hey, yeah, we're outside in the snow. Beautiful day. Snowstorm just settled in. Look at that. Whoa. So I'm going to turn around, put the camera right into the snow because it is friggin' gorgeous, eh? What do you think, Coach? Oh yeah, Coach is digging it. Me too. Yeah. Let's have a look. Whew. Can't see much. Neat, eh? Oh my gosh, I love it. Hey, do you love it too? Yeah. He's like, let's keep going, Ma. Oh yeah. What a good dog. Yeah, we love being outside. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Who wants to stay inside when this is going on? This is awesome. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're the best. You're the best. The best. What do you think, Coachy? Huh? Oh yeah, he's like, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, we'll go for a walk. Yeah, good dog. Let's go make sure my lens is clean. Yeah. You see. Yeah. Look, got my own little snowman here. Oh yeah, nothing's stopping him. He's digging it. Yeah, come on. Good dog. Oh yeah. It's nice. It's 5 o'clock, just after 5 o'clock. Middle of Feb. Oh, I guess it's the beginning of Feb. And it's pretty nice. I love this. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yep. Coachy, where are you going? Whoop. Where are you going? It's like, finally, you're playing in the snow with me. Yeah. Nice. Well, I need to put my mitts on, so enjoy. Yeah. There's like just no words. It's so awesome. Oh yeah, look how quickly it's accumulating. It's on me. Yeah, I'm going to be a snowman shortly. Sort of thick, wet snow.